Hi, the plane just landed.
आदाब जहाज़न कोर वुइन लैंड
Okay, I'm waiting for you in the parking lot.
ठीक छु बुझ से चानि खतर पार्किंग मस प्रारन
How long have you been waiting?
चकुता काल गोई प्रारन
Only 15 minutes.
बस 15 मिनट
I won't take long.
मैं गश न ज्याद सेर
Okay, don't worry.
ठीक छु केन परवाय
I will go pick up my suitcase.
बगसे ताने पनुन सामान
Where do you want to go first?
तोय को छुव गोडिया छान गचुन
I need to find a hotel.
मे छु गोडा आख होटल छांडुन
Okay, we will do that first.
ठीक छु अस करो ती गोड
Do you want to go look for a hotel?
अगर च चाहन छुक तिल गसो वस गोडा होटल छांडने
Yes, I want to stay in a hotel downtown.
आ बुचुस चाहन जिम्योन होटल गचे श्रीनगरस मंस आसुन
How much money do you have?
चकुता पहुंच छी
Why?
कैजे
Hotels downtown are expensive.
श्रीनगरस मंस यम होटल छ तिम छ वारिया द्रोग
All of them?
सरिया
The cheapest is the Hilton Hotel.
सार्वी खोत सस्त छु हिल्टन होटल
How much does a room cost per night?
तति कह छु कमर दोहस पेवान
A room costs $300 per night.
अख कमर छु $300 दोहस पेट
Does it include meals?
अतमंशा यम खान ते दिवान
It only includes breakfast.
ना खाली ब्रेकफास्ट छुई अतमंस शामिल Breakfast is easily understood in Srinagar and Kashmir. However, you could also say na khali nasht chui athmans shamil.
Does the hotel have a pool?
Hotelas man cha swimming pool.
Yes, there are 2 pools.
Ah, that is the swimming pool.
Can I make a reservation for today?
Behaka az khatra reservation karit.
We can ask.
As heka upritsit.
Okay, let's go to that hotel.
Theek chu. Oit hotelas gatsau. Thank you for listening. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, do hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon. See you in the next lesson. Bye bye.